Students, in this video we will learning the next point, the index of the product or quotient of two numbers. Product means we can say it is multiplication also. Okay, so product or quotient of two numbers. Let us observe the following example to see what rule we get. Look at this example. So if we simplify this example, so we get like this. It is 2 multiplied by 3. How much times? 4 times. So it is 1 2 3 4. 4 times 2 multiplied by 3. If we taking a common one side, so we will get 4 times 2. 1 2 3 4. 4 times 2 and 4 times 3. 1 2 3 4. It is 4 times 3. So we can write here 2 raised to 4 multiplied by 3 raised to 4. Okay, so this is the answer of this equation. It is only simplify. We don't find the value of this product. Okay, so we can say it is only simplifying this product like this. Okay, now look at the example second. It is 4 upon 5 raised to 3. It means what? This equation written as 3 times. It is 4 upon 5, 4 upon 5, 4 upon 5 multiplication. So we can write here 4 raised to 3 upon 5 raised to 3. Okay, hope you understand. Now remember this. If a and b are non-zero rational numbers and m is an integer, then remember this formula of product of two numbers. Okay, and this is also if we have any numbers in this form a into b raised to m, so we can solve this equation like this: a raised to m multiplied by b raised to m. Okay, remember this. And if we have a upon b raised to m equals to, we arrange this equation a raised to m upon b raised to m. ओके, जर ब्रॅकेट असेल आणि ब्रॅकेटच्या वर जर एम असेल तर ते काय असणार? दोन्ही प्रोडक्टचा, दोन्ही क्वोशंटचा काय असणार? दोन्ही नंबरचा तो रेज टू असणार, दोन्ही नंबरचा तो पॉवर असणार. ओके, सो जर असं ब्रॅकेटवर असेल तर हे ए आणि बीचा पॉवर आहे आणि इथे सुद्धा ए आणि बीचा पॉवर आहे. ओके, सो लुक ॲट दिस. a raised to m to the power of n, that is the power of a number in index form. Example 5 raised to 2 bracket raised to 3. So we can solve this example like that, 5 raised to 3 times. Okay, so this is our equation, 5 raised to 2 whole square raised to 3. So we can solve this equation like that: 5 raised to 2 multiplied by 5 raised to 2 multiplied by 5 raised to 2, or you can say 5 square 5 square 5 square. So it is 3 times. So we return this equation like that. Now arrange this equation. It is 5, we take here 5 common and write here the power. It is 2 plus 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2 plus 2. Now we can write here 5 raised to 2 multiplied by 3. It means what? 3 times 2. So we can write here 5 raised to the power of 2 multiplied by 3. Now solve this. So it is 5 raised to 6. This is the answer of this equation. Okay, so this is the 5 raised to 6. Remember this equation. Now let's solve this equation. We already learned if we have a minus power, so we can take 1 upon something. Okay, remember this. So it is 7 raised to 2 upon minus 5. So we will arranging this equation. So first arrange this. We are writing here 1 upon 7 minus 2 raised to 5. 5 means what? It is 1 upon 5 times 5 times 7 minus 2 multiplied by 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 7 minus 2. Okay, so it is 5 times 7 minus 2, 7 minus 2. So let's arrange this equation. So it means what? 1 upon 7 in bracket minus 2 multiplied by 5 equals to 1 upon 7. 5 to the minus 10, 5 to the minus 10. So we can write here this equation like that: 1 upon 10 minus 1 upon 7 is to minus 10, 7 is to 10, like that. Okay, if we convert this negative sign into positive, so we get 7 raised to 10. This is the answer of this equation. Okay, remember this equation and remember this formula is also a raised to minus m equals to 1 upon a raised to m. If we convert this minus sign to positive, okay, or you can write like this also. Okay, remember this equation also. Now look at this example. It is solve this example. It is also very simple example. It is 2 upon 5 the bracket raised to minus 2, again bracket raised to 3. So we were solving this equation. It means write this equation 3 times. 2 upon 5 minus 2 multiplied by 2 upon 5 minus 2 multiplied by 2 upon 5 minus 2. We are writing here 3 times. Okay, now take a one common here, 2 upon 5, and write here minus 2 minus 2 minus 2, because 1 2 3. So you are writing here minus 2 minus 2 minus 2. Okay, and it is minus 6. Minus 6 means what? It is 2 upon 5 minus 2 plus minus 2 plus minus 2. It means 2 upon 5 2 times, sorry, minus 2 3 times, because 1 2 3. So it is minus 2 3 times. So it is 2 upon 5 minus 2 times 3, 2 3s are 6. So it is minus 6. This is the answer. Okay, this is the answer. Hope you understand how to solve these equations. Remember this is also important. If a is non-zero rational number and m and n are integers, then a raised to m whole square n equals to a raised to m into n equals to a raised to mn. This is the formula of this equation. Okay, remember this laws of indices. This is very important. Okay, हे तुम्ही पाठ करून ठेवा. हे टोटल फॉर्म्युलाज आहे. कोणत्या कंडिशनमध्ये कोणता फॉर्म्युला यूज करून ते एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व करायचे. इफ ए इज अ नॉन झिरो नंबर अँड एम अँड एन आर इंटिजर्स, देन सो इफ वी हॅव ए रेस टू एम multiplied by a raised to n equals to a raised to m plus n. We already learn. It means like that we have 10 raised to 3 multiplied by 10 raised to 5, so equals to 10 raised to 3 plus 5. Okay, and so it means what? It is 10 raised to 8, like that. So this is the equation. Okay, this is the equation. Okay, we already learn in practice set 27, and this is also learn in practice 7 28. This is also learn. If we have a raised to 1, it means it is a. Okay, if we have a raised to 0, it means 1. So we already learned this all equations. Okay, and remember this formula. हे तुम्ही फॉर्म्युला पाठ करून ठेवा, सर्वात सिंपल. ओके, हे खूप इम्पॉर्टंट आहे. आपल्याला जर लॉज ऑफ इंडायसेस सॉल्व करायचं असेल तर इंडायसेससाठी आपल्याला या फॉर्म्युल्याची गरज पडते. ओके, सॉल्व दिस प्रॅक्टिस सेट 29. This is homework for you. Complete this practice set and send on our WhatsApp group. I will show you solving the example. First, simplify. The first is, so it is 15 upon 12 3 times raised to 3. How much times? 4 times. So we are writing this equation how much times? 4 times. So write here 15 upon 12 raised to 3 multiplied by 15 upon 12 raised to 3 multiplied by 15 upon 12 raised to 3 multiplied by 15 upon 12 raised to 3. So we are writing this equation 4 times. Now take a common here. It is 15 upon 12. So it is 3 multiplied by 4, because 3 how much times? It is 1 2 3. So it is 3 multiplied by 4. So writing here 15 upon 12. 3 4s are 12. This is the answer. 15 up. So this is the answer. Hope you understand how to solve this exercise. It is very simple examples. Solve the all examples and send on our WhatsApp group. Thank you.